Hi fellow Django developers, Hezekiah here from alwaysdjango.com, where we discuss interesting Django topics that helps you grow, improve as a Django developer. So if that sounds interesting, like, subscribe, share this video with anyone you think will find this video important. So today we are going to discuss how to send emails in Django using MailTrap, right? So I got I got a comment from one of us on YouTube, one of the subscribers to this channel. He said we're like on a previous video I made where I discussed attaching files to your Django email. It was like he would like the SMTP. I used Google SMTP for that video. He said like the SMTP was not working, so I decided to make a follow-up video on that, right? So let's look at how to send out emails in Django using MailTrap SMTP, right? So a side note here, SMTP MailTrap is not used for production applications. It's just for your testing, to test out your functionalities for your projects, to test out and see how it works. Your email does not in any means, unless you allow forwarding, right? It does not in any means go to the receiver's email. It's just for you to test out. The SMTP right here, your account will have an inbox where you see the messages, the emails you sent using your SMTP credentials. So first things first, you go to your browser, you open up your browser. I have MailTrap opened here, but if you go to your browser, open a tab, let's say you enter MailTrap, click enter. So the first pop of the first option right here should be MailTrap. It should be the company's website, mailtrap.io. I'll also leave a link to it in the description. Again, the video that the subscriber watched and complained about the SMTP, I'll also leave it in the description. It should also be popping up on YouTube right now. I'll add a card on the video. It should also be popping up right now. It's a video on sending attachment files with our Django while sending Django emails. So back to what we are discussing. So go to your browser, type MailTrap, then click on this first one. I have MailTrap here, mailtrap.io. I'll leave it in the description. So if you click there, this opens up. You can see test send control. It's just for testing, right? So here I'm already logged in. I already have an account and I'm logged into to my account right now. So but for you probably see login and sign up. It's just an easy process, straightforward. You can use your Gmail to log in, or Facebook, I think, then, or maybe your credentials, you enter password and what have you. So for me, I click on my account. When I click on my account, it opens up this, but for you it should open up on the home. This is what it should open up for you. If you are just creating an account, it opens up this page for you. So when it opens up this page for you, you click on set up email. So after setting up email, I have an inbox folder here. So let me delete this. Let me click delete, right? So I've deleted that. So now you click on add inbox. Now you enter the name for the inbox. Let's say test, save. The inbox is created. Now you click on it. So when you click on it, the next step will be getting your credentials, the SMTP credentials you want to use for your project. So here you have integration right here. Now if you click on here, you can see you can use this MailTrap for any most programming languages and framework, popular ones, right? So here we have PHP. We can use Cake PHP, CodeIgniter, Fuel PHP, Laravel. We have Ruby on Rails. We should also have Node. We have Node.js here. So for us, we are using PHP, right? So we'll click on Django, right? So our SMTP credentials pops up right here. All you have to do is just click on copy here, or you come here, copy these, come here, then go back to your project. In your settings.py file, let's settings.py file. In your settings.py file, you paste these credentials. So after pasting these credentials, your SMTP is working, your emailing SMTP is working. When you send emails, it should come to this inbox right here. It should come to this inbox, this test inbox here. So let's test it out. Let's open our shell. Let's say python manage.py shell, right? So let's get our shell. So our shell is open. Let's import send mail from django.core.mail, import send mail, right? So we've imported send mail. So let's try to send an email. Send mail. if I can type, send mail, right? So the first parameter will be the subject. The second parameter will be the message itself. Let's say message content. The second parameter is from email. Let's just use any email. I'll use my email here, Morgan Hezekiah 111 at gmail.com. Then the last compulsory option will be the list of receivers. So the list of receivers, let me also use my email here, Hezekiah111 at gmail.com, right? So let's press enter. That should be it. So let's press enter, see if your mail will be sent. So right here we'll see no errors. Let's check S. Let's print out this S here. S is 1, which means true, so it should have been sent. So let's check our inbox to see if right here we received the email a few seconds ago. If you open it up, you can see mail contents here, which is what we sent at the content of the email, right? So let's test it out again. Just because, let's go to the content. Let's say content 2. Let's say this one will be content 2, mail content 2. So let's wait, print out S is 1. Let's go back. We received another email, content 2, right? So this is how you use MailTrap to send your emails in Django. It's very simple. You create your account, copy your SMTP credentials, paste it in your settings.py file, and start sending your emails. Again, guys, this is only for testing. You can't use this in production. Obviously, this is not sending to the recipient email, so this is just for testing, right? So but you can use it to test out your functionalities and get your application running, right? So this is it for me today, guys. Happy New Year again. I'm creating this video on the first day of, that's the 1st of January 2023. Happy New Year. Take care of yourself. Peace, and that's it.